presents a 30-second audio tour of Ireland. Sheep, berries, gone. Charming castle, charming castle, charming castle, charming castle, charming castle.
Say a command, or just say help. Right in front of me.
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Faut que j'appelle qui, le 17? Dylan?
Non mais c'est bon, ils sont pas morts.
18? Moi je fais
non,
quoi?
Non, sort pas maman.
Non?
Ouais, sort pas.
Non mais il faut appeler hein.
Il est choqué.
J'appelle le 18? On est sur quelle autoroute?
超过40年丰富经验的美国律师主理，一定为您争取到最高意外损伤赔偿。如遇到车祸，必须镇定，立刻报警、看医生，靠领达律师楼就一切 OK。领达律师楼位于135 East Valley 大道 Alhambra， 电话62628。
Left toward I-10 Frontage Road East, then turn left onto I-10 Frontage Road East.
Had somebody to drive through and hit both trash cans, knocked it out. Come here and now they shouting at me like I done something wrong. Look way all the way down, coming all the way down through there and busted them, run through two of the things there. And now I've got an officer coming up to me because I'm recording. I'm doing what I can as a free American.
Okay.
I'm recording. I'm at my own house, and I didn't say nothing wrong to nobody. All I said is I said I'm glad my kids wasn't getting on the bus.
It was an accident.
And I will say
it was an accident. All you're doing right now is aggravating an
I'm not aggravating doing nothing.
You're not?
No. They started cussing me in my yard. I told myself I'm glad my kids wasn't getting on the bus, and that right there started happening.
Yeah,
It's
none of this was happening until
I was trying to
until
talk
you
to
got
them. I mean, as
They don't want to talk. Just leave them alone. Let them clean up the trash. That's all they're trying to do.
well, I'm not bothering anybody.
Well, you're bothering me at this point because I can't do my job because now I got people screaming and hollering out here. Just let them clean the mess up.
I am.
But you gotta stand here and film them?
I can't.
I didn't say you couldn't, but all you're doing.
I'm
is
in my
aggravating.
yard. I'm not trying to. I'm being American. All right, hey man, have a good one, man. I appreciate what you do. I ain't doing nothing to y'all. I ain't doing nothing to y'all.